Uno Omubaka wa Mukono Municipality Betty Nambooze bakireka adduse bukubirire n'agwa mu ngalo za Spiika. Spiika n'amukuba akaama. Oba amugambye eki?
Gala kubabula opera kyatukulembedde bulungi sekaaga kumala kubeera w'enaalemu okuteeseza obulungi bwa Mukono naye teyeetaaga kumala kubeera wa NUP okuteeseza obulungi bwaki bwa Uganda. Ffenna tukkirizibwe buli omu abeere mu nsikiriza ye ne ffenna tukolere obulungi obwaki obwa Uganda ey'awamu. Kakati Spiika, ffe tulina obudde bungi omubuulira ensonga mu Palaamenti. Ate abantu batudde dda wano nnyo. Tutudde wano ne tweyogeramu ne mukwano gwange ono. Tugamba ffe leero tetugenda kusaba Spiika bintu. Tumanyi gye tubimukola ki? Gye tubimusabira. Kyenvudde nsaba mukwano gwange mukyala Amaniyo ye ababuuzeeko. Bw'amala obabuuza akozesa ekitiibwa ekindi ayite Spiika ajja ayogere gye muli. Jacob Oboth is a resident of Mukono Municipality at Chungu in Isube Ward. In a way, this function is a homecoming function, and I wish to thank those who came up with this brilliant idea. Thank you very much. GMF Greater Mukono Interfaith Forum. Indeed, we thank God for the gift of life and leadership He has bestowed upon one of us, the Right Honorable Speaker. In addition, we needed to dedicate him to God, that the Lord grants him wisdom to run the important office he has been called to serve in. We pray that God grants him grace and he serves in so honorable manner as to glorify the Lord who has called him and to serve the purpose for which he has been elevated to that office. Mr. Speaker, I wish to inform you that in the most recent past, I've not witnessed an elevation of one of us that has been made with a lot of joy and excitement as your elevation gave to the people of Mukono. Ekintu kino abantu b'e Mukono kyabasanyusa nnyo nga tofuddeeyo na ku nzikiriza zaabwe ez'ebyobufuzi. Ffenna twasanyukira wamu so kyebaliza Katonda. I don't know why, Right Honorable Speaker, the people of Mukono have adamantly refused to acknowledge that you are a son of Tororo. And they have refused to admit, and I want them to own you, allow them to own you. They have refused stubbornly. I don't know if one of these days the people of Tororo will not call of a DNA test. Because the people of Mukono don't want to believe that you came and settled here. They want everyone to believe that they produced you. We want to thank the people of Tororo who gave you to us. And we want to thank that person who brought you to Mukono. Now that you are here, you are our own and we want to celebrate you. I wish to thank the Mukono Interfaith Forum for inviting us for prayers and dedicating our speaker. I want to testify that indeed he needs prayers, but It is not true that there is a lot of witchcraft in Parliament. It's not true. But, however, every leader needs players. Mr. Speaker, a while ago my colleague came here and told you that your party had won elections by whatever percentage. If that is what we call winning elections, then this country needs players. But I want to say as a Ugandan that we need to build a new consensus for this country. We need to build a new consensus for Uganda. A Uganda that serves us all. A Uganda that recognizes our difference. A Uganda that will allow us to live in our diversities, but all enjoy Mother Uganda's opportunities and privileges. A Uganda where Betty Nambooze, who comes from the National Unity Platform, can be in one house with the Speaker, with an NLM, but all working for one great mission, one greater good, a Uganda that serves us all. I want also to acknowledge that so far so good, our Speaker has tried. Mr. Speaker, you have tried and I want to thank you. Speaker, njagala mukubire nyengalo.
And the founder
yebaza nnyo abateekawo ekibiina kino
Mukono Interfaith Forum.
Ekibiina kino ekigatta ab'enzikirizaamu Greater Mukono.
Bishop Samuel Rwandasa, thank you very much for the vision.
Sebo Bishop Samuel Rwandasa, weebale nnyo ekirowoozo kino amakula.
What started about 2002?
Ekyatandika mu 2000 mu gwe-2000.
And now today 2026.
We
are here attending prayers organized by the Interfaith Forum of Mukono. I want to commit the bishop, the founder, you said you need the president to be here.
Timwagala president ajje wano. Timwagala president ajje wano.
I want to commit
ayagala okweyama
that we shall work out with you
tajja kukolagana namwe
that an invitation is made to him.
Okusaba okwo kutuuka egyali, okuyitibwa okwo kutuuka egyali.
Guarantee that you will come.
Era ayagala kubakakasa nti ajja kujja.
The reason you will come
ensonga lwaki anajja
is what I have seen here.
Lwaki no kyalabye wano.
Government loves where people are united.
Gavumenti eno eyagala nnyo abantu abeegasse.
Seeing the Muslim leader giving prayers in the ground of a church.
Okulaba omusiraamu ng'akulembedde okusaba ku kkanisa.
Giving roles, seeing roles being, shared.
Ng'abalaba mugabana obuvunaanyizibwa wano.
I'm going to personally write to him.
Agenda kuwandiikira pulezidenti ye yennyini.
That in Mukono there is the hand of God.
Amugambye nti omukono gwa Katonda gwakadda.
He's doing something.
Era gukola ebyewuunyo.
Because government is interested in seeing people working together.
Gavumenti eno esanyuka nnyo okulaba abantu nga bakolera wamu.
I've seen my former friend here, my former colleague in Parliament. He's still my friend.
Alabye munne we bali mu Parliament ono jebbi bali ku ddembe mutabani wange.
Lawyer mulungi nnyo.
Lawyer mulungi nnyo yali naye mu Parliament.
Yes, and I was like, as he come to Mukono, not many people want to live in Mukono.
Era abadde abuuzaawo nti omukulu ono yazze Mukono kuba waliwo abantu abamu bagenda ne batayagala nnyo okubeera eno Mukono.
But Mukono, until today I didn't know Mukono means the hand of God.
Bulijjo abadde tamanyanga nti Mukono kitegeeza omukono gwa Katonda.
Now I have seen ever since I became speaker,
okuva lwe yafuuka Speaker akirabidde ddala.
The people of Mukono who are dealing in real estate.
Abantu b'e Mukono abatunda amataka.
They all say near the speaker. A plot at this much near the speaker. And then some friend who wanted to buy and said, how far is this land here to your home? And I said, I'm in Chungu. This place looks like it's after Nasuti. But I am in Mukono, that is near me. So we believe God that something good is about to happen in Mukono. And yesterday I had the Minister of Health. You know somebody who works in Mukono Hospital, and there are so many challenges there. I have talked to the MPs here. And by the way, even if we are not of the same party, I have learned one thing in life. If you ask God for something A, and He gives you B, God's principle is that love what you've gotten. If you don't get what you prayed for, love what you've gotten. I want you to continue supporting them. You have no choice in the next 5 years. But now the way we are working together with them, because Speaker has never come from Mukono, we are going to work with them. We are going to work with the MPs, the mayor, the division, central division. Came with the councillors to me. Mayor was central division. And there are so many things that we can be able to do. We shall get more road stomached here. Because how would God pick somebody from Chungu? Should have been somebody from Nakavago. So from Chungu, Simanya abameka bana basoma Bible ekitabo kya Tito kigamba nti nakulekawo olongose ebyasigala wa koreti. Musoma Bible imwe ati nange koreti wange Chungu ate Mukono. Twagala ebeere bulungi erabike bulungi ng'erina ne kolansi.
Chungu akwaka Speaker amaliridde eyanzanyisewo.
So we are in negotiation with the central government.
Tuli mu nteeseganya ne gavumenti eyawakati.
You said there's an engineer here in charge of Greater Kampala.
Waliwo engineer akulembera ebyenguudo mu Kampala n'emiriraano.
We are going to talk with the leaders here.
Tugenda kwogera n'abakulembeze.
They are supposed to write some other letter.
Tugenda kuwandiikayo n'ebbaluwa endala.
And some work will start.
Omulimu gulyoke gutandike.
So the hospital is near the main road. I asked the minister that I live in Mukono. The first hospital, if I have a problem as Speaker, will be Mukono Hospital.
Yagambye minisita nti munnange nze Speaker wonsula Mukono nga wakuddewo obuzibu bwonna banzirusa wali ku ddwaliro ly'e Mukono.
My firstborn was born in Mukono.
N'omwana we omuberebere bamuzaalira awo.
Mukono Health Center, it was Health Center 4 what?
Yali
2004, what was it?
Mubiri mwena.
Yeah, 2004 when I had my firstborn.
Yalinga dispensary. Awa we watyo nga liringa eddwaliro LS Center 3.
But now that girl is about 20, she made 22.
Kati omwana wa myaka 22.
So that, and now we are here also.
Kati tutuno wano.
So I said we need to do something about this hospital. So I've gotten the chairman LC5 with your team. We only need land to build a hospital that deserves where the speaker comes from. You tell me when you have land, and then we work with this MPs. We shall make sure that they